This is Chris Keller, Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois. Today we've got a Gray Wolf 27RR. It does have the new color scheme, silver with the blue and gray. Upgraded outdoor kitchen. Got LED lights up under the awning there. Bluetooth outdoor speakers. It's got the new Duracoat coating on the outside. Take the inside. It does have the separate garage in the Gray Wolf. This will be the only one. New cushions. We've got the Furrion system, stereo, new farm sink, and flooring. Furrion stove, oven, little different bathroom setup. And then your separated garage with a patio system. Those fold up there and make room for your toys. That's 27RR Gray Wolf at Tri-State RV, Anna, Illinois.